some sad news for Bradley Cooper and Irina Shayk. Or maybe it's not sad news. Maybe they're totally fine with this.
Don't have to be sad. Man.
Exactly.
Sometimes
as long as everybody is, you know, in accordance and agrees that we're done, then maybe it's not sad news. But yes, the report is that Bradley Cooper and Irina Shayk are on the outs, that they are breaking up, and maybe perfectly timed. It certainly looks like it. Irina is heading out of town, packed up her bag, which makes me think this is not. Makes me think this is not moving out. Yeah. Irina, just
more than one. It looks like she's going to Top Gun Maverick.
Just taking a trip.
Shout out to that outfit though that she's got on.
Okay, yeah, we know she's hot. That's not the point, Evan. But yes, she was leaving their home where they live together, or at least they have up until now. And then she went to LAX. So she's on a trip somewhere. We don't know how long she's going, but you know. The timing is interesting because the report came out today that they are breaking up. So.
Yeah, and I think, you know, I don't know if this is much of a surprise. There had been rumors swirling that they weren't doing great. And then I think A Star Is Born kind of added fuel to that fire with the connection that Bradley had with Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
I mean,
because of the movie?
The movie, but also remember at the Oscars. Was it the Grammys?
It was the Oscars.
It was the Oscars.
Their performance, and then they also did one in Vegas. But a lot of people saw a lot of chemistry there, and so you know, that could have been something they were arguing about.
And Lady Gaga did break up with her fiance back in February.
Oh wait. So everybody free?
Everybody's free now.
Wow.
So we'll see what happens.
Well, I think you just dedicate time to your career. That could be what kind of caused this. But that seems what Bradley Cooper is focused on right now.
Yeah.
I think they're both going to be fine. I think everybody's going to be fine. As Harvey says, listen.
Chin up, Rocket Raccoon.
They got a kid out of it, and they had 4 years of happiness. So that's a successful relationship.